What's the difference of people who don't show up versus people who do show up?
They do pay in full more than.
Okay, so we make more on the people who don't show up than people who do. Yes, that's what I was looking for the whole time. Okay. There we go, Sam. All right. So,
brain fog. We're not going to talk.
so what happens, right? We have showed versus no showed. Okay? 104 versus the no showed. If we call all 600, we get about what Sam said, 30% of people to answer the phone. 600 to 30%. That's 200. 180. Well, out of those 180, another 15% will then book a call.
It's 27.
And then it's what?
27.
It's 27? Okay. So 27. See, I don't do the numbers, man. I'm just a marketer. All right. 27. What's 27% of 180? It's like 40 something. 49? No. What's 27% of 180? 58? 48. I said 49. I was close. Okay. 48. Out of those 48, 70% will show up, and then 30% will close. Probably higher will close, to be honest. Probably at 35-ish. We will make more from the people who never showed up than the people who are in this event today. And that's why I don't care. So what am I trying to explain to you?
Are you making more just because there's more people, just a numbers game, or are you making more for a particular reason? Like,
Well, look. 48 people booked. I have 104 of you in the room. You're in person. This should be a higher conversion rate, but it's not. I mean, that's just because people don't want to buy, or it's because they have... Well, okay, here's the other reason why, and I'll tell you the real honest truth. Okay. The reason why people don't buy as much here is because they think they can go home and take a couple pictures and do it themselves. And they can't. Okay? And I saw more phones during the ad section than any other section. They don't know how to run ads. You two raised your hand before. You run a very established business, so you know where I'm coming from. 2 of them. So you know where I'm coming from. With all the love, you know what I mean. So these 104, we'll probably get 20% of you guys to buy. Okay? That's great. But I'm going to make more here because these people are going to have to pay full price. These people don't pay full price. Because on the phone, they're going to spend 30% more, and for some reason, they're okay with it. When they could have just got up Saturday morning, put their kids in a fucking daycare, and came to the event. So that's the biggest reason. Also, the other thing is that the people who do buy from the events, they are better quality customers. They've watched me speak for 3 to 4 hours, and my team is here. They're more willing to be understanding. But the other percentage of the room, there will be another split. I love that you asked this question because I never get to talk about this because it's the truth and no one wants to hear it. So the other 80% of people, here's the split. Okay, we'll say 4 buckets. 1% is going to try to DIY it because they're delusional. Okay, 20% is going to DIY. The other 20% just has really bad financial management, right? They live in a city that's expensive, and they still don't understand how important money management is, and they just maybe just can't afford it, or they have bad credit. Okay? Third is what we call the shoppers. Okay? The people who are going to go home, and then they're going to be like, hey, I'll go book a call with 3 other people, and I'm just going to determine my decision based on price. All right? Those are what we call clowns. Okay, so we have shoppers, okay? So we have DIY, bad credit, shoppers, and then the other 1/4, and you're going to love this one, is this. They lie. The amount of people that you guys all filled out your RSVP forms, 30% of you lied on it. You told us you had X amount of money, you made X amount of money, you don't. Because I saw the show of hands, it doesn't match. You lied because you wanted to look cooler or some stupid shit. I don't know, but... You lied on the RSVP forms because if you lie, you think that you're going to get more attention. And I don't want attention seekers. I want people who are legit, who are not going to sit here. And then there's another bucket, by the way. These same people who lie, they are sad because they don't like my personality.